On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get up out the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
What is going on? Good morning, gang. Look at you. Absolute superstars. Legends. I don't know what we would call an utterly fantastic group of people, but that's you guys. Good morning, everybody. Have you heard about corduroy pillows? They're making headlines. It never ends. It never ends. You know, I'm sure my wife is like, what the hell, man? Every day there's some ridiculous junk. Just junk coming out of your mouth. Just junk. But then we press buy and sell successfully 3 times yesterday. So you can't complain, can you? I think like if you came on here and you were just like hitting every trade, you can pretty much say whatever the hell you want. Hence, like, CryptoFace can get away with it because he's a G, right? He can say whatever he wants, and he does, and I applaud him for that. I appreciate his tenacity, but also, you know, he takes big energy trades. So, what's going on, everybody? How's it all going? You know, we're pumping. Everybody's happy now. Bull run's back on. I mean, the emotional state of the market is so bad. Let's jump into this. I mean, the video's still not looking too good. The video still looks like a bit of garbage here. If we look, Bitcoin holding VWAP right now. We'll see if it does want to continue up. I'm not a fan of this. I don't like this choppity chop. This is just asking to roll over. So we'll see what we get today. Reclaiming VWAP just now. And flagging out. This is ugly price action. We'll see what we get. Some drives to the downside we can see on volume here. Okay, but no follow through. So do we get continuation up to the top of this little mini range in here? And then we'll see. We'll figure it out. We always do. Let's say good morning to everybody. How we all doing? We got a whole bunch of legends in here. Dylan VA, Dragonfly D, Gains for Life. What's going on? Good morning. Coin Hover, Sir Creedon, God. Meow. Tim Teloni, what's the going on? Curvis, what's going on? Paul Caruso, Otter gang, 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 gang. Mo 2, forget about it. Jonah Perez, what's going on? Good to see you. Alex O'Crypto, I love you. Thanks, man. Good morning. Good morning, Jonah. I love you too, man. I love you too. Ernie, what's going on? Deck Get Shredder. Gowd, what's going on? The otter looks like a colorful ball on a stick thing they sell in Japan, maybe. Interesting. Interesting. Joe Ruiz, Darren does things. Lucky deal. What's going on? Luke Zaldana, Zena, good morning. Good morning. Let's have a blessed day, everyone, says Luke. So may the force be with you. Tony Soprano in the chat. What's going on, my man? Everybody, let's make basketball great again for Tony, okay? Tony's upset with the NBA right now, so our thoughts are with you, Tony. Anonymous, what's going on? 913, Curtis Neal roaming. Brave Chicken, what's going on, man? Shark Vin, Peaches. Come on, guys. I give you one time, I give you a healthy poll. Apples or bananas? I like, a good pear, like a good juicy pear. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. I don't know. What do you guys think? I know Jeet Corp in here. He picked apples, and I'm sure he's sick of apples. Okay, so he doesn't have to pick apples. Good morning, Jeet Corp. There he is. David Brumbala, what's going on? Crypto Michael Ismul. Good morning. Good morning. R Pink. Good morning. Team Apples all the way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jesse says like 21 was mine. Thank you, Jesse, for being like 21. That's awesome, man. Jay Violet, what's going on? Space Cake, One Harmony, Massey, Jonah Perez. You look like a baddie. Oh, okay. What isn't like a baddie like a hot badass chick? I don't know. I used to get into trouble. I used to like trouble, but wife and kids now, man. Wife and kids. Ooh, view up, baby. View up wants to go. View up wants to go. This is a trade I would take right now. If I was in a trade, this would be the one. But it's like risk to reward. Yeah, it's kind of shockingly shite, as the British would say. One Harmony, good to see you. Curtis Neal, what's going on? Good morning, John Foster, Crypto. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Good to see you guys. Good to see everybody in here. Thank you for saying good morning. Jay Violet, Curtis Neal, Joan, Kelvin, Traveling Studios. Good morning to you guys from Germany. Krakenhausen. Every time you say Germany, I just got to say Krakenhausen and Krakenswagen. Okay. Bad Budapest, what's going on? Good to see you. R Pink, Curtis Neal, Dragonfly. Morning, everybody. Al Jr., what's going on, Otter Gang? How's your money tree doing, Al Jr.? How's your money tree doing? If you didn't know, I have a money tree. Its name is Oswald. Okay, it keeps growing. A good old money tree, okay? I had one when I started my channel. My first money tree's name was Pedro. Because it was a Mexican fortune tree. I thought, the best way to name it would be to call it Pedro. That's Oswald. Okay? Get yourself a plant. It helps the air around your computer, okay? You got to have high quality money air, okay? It's not financial advice. It's just advice. What's with this? This feels like it's... Is this okay? This feels like it's out of place. That's how it should be, I think. No. Let's make this full screen. Let's adjust it on here. Sorry. Bear with me. There. I think that's more appropriate. That looks better. Hey, you don't need to see all this on the left here. I don't go over here much. I'm really big for someone who's 5'4" too. Let's tone it down a little bit. Let's tone it down a little bit. Is anybody in this long? We'll see. Let's continue here. Let's continue. Good morning, everybody. I don't like fruit. Oh, that sucks. I mean, nah, fruit's bomb. Every good flavor comes from fruit. Okay? Any of your favorite candies, all that cherry flavor, whatever flavor, strawberry, come on. Darren does things. Jesse, good luck. Wolf and Bear, good morning to you. It's gamble time. Oh, God. Yeah, that one made me go, nope. Good morning, Otter Gang. Buck, what's going on? Calvin, Michael, Captain Pancakes, Jay Violet, Shark Vin, Darren does things. Pace to Canelo, made it back. That's it. The market is like a Tinder date. Oh, God. Oh, God. I've gone on one of those before. Way back in the day. I guess that was like 8 years ago, maybe. I should have swiped. Which way is it? Swipe right or swipe left? I don't remember. It's been so long. Andrew Cameron, what's going on? Wayne C, Jay Violet, Jesse Good Luck, Curtis Neal, Darren does things, David Brumbelow, good morning. NS, Adesalam, Adesalam Kamal, good morning to you, man. Darshan, Baba, what's going on, Baba? Bubba. Wayne C, good morning to you. Tim, good morning. Albino Rhino, good morning to you. Whilst Jesse J. Violet. All right, a little bit slow here. A little bit slow. What? How did I not? I didn't get my coffee, everybody. You're going to have to. I left it on the counter. I'll be right back. I don't even have to put on music. How could I do such a thing? The only tool a day trader needs. All right. Oh yeah. That's a good shit. That is the bomb diggity, baby. Let's go. I have a long in right now. Need a pump? All right. Well, we gave you the pump. The pump is going. We're pumping it up for you. Okay. This is the trade I would have taken. Just not a fan of this really. And it's slow. Okay. I long late and shorted early. Typical. I do that all the time, Curtis Neal. It's take those profits, run away. See ya. Good morning. See ya in the morning. Tony Soprano. Skadwick Gaming. I long right now. I need a pump. Okay. Well, we're working on it. Did Jenny from the blockchain? How's Mama and Little Otter? I did not even recognize Did Jenny from the blockchain's symbol. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How's everything doing? Mama and Baby Otter are fantastic. They are Mama could really use some sleep though, I think. I saw my membership didn't renew. I have a long right now, need a pump. IKO, good morning to you. What's going on? Pokenomics, good to see you out there. Banana is most sugar, yes. Darren does things. Bananas are life, yes. Potassium, baby. Get that potassium. Tamale. Good morning, John Foster Crypto. My God, you guys are so... I can't even get through this chat anymore. AC, IKO, Luke Zaldana, Captain Pancakes, Paul Caruso, Dave Digital, AC. What's going on? Lucky Deal. What would you take that trade even with the money flow out? This one here I would not take. This is hot dog zone, baby. This to me is hot dog zone. Look at this thing. This is just an ugly friggin' hot dog. Okay? There's some key levels that we'll get into. Obviously, we'll figure it out together. But I mean, you could take this. It's ugly. It's ugly in my opinion. What I would prefer is if we SFP'd into here, okay, with volume. You see the difference between this versus this, okay? So like if I was going to take this trade in here, right? I would have, the pump, the dump, V-shaped recovery. You'd have a bottom in here, so you'd have the low in here. You'd reclaim VWAP, okay, with volume, right? You get long here, and you take this up to trying to target the top of here, right? So you'd probably hit TP1, and then you let the rest of it ride. If it comes back down, you get out here, you make $200-$300, right? But this one here, this is like, yeah, this is decreasing volume. There's no SFP. Yeah, so there's nothing here that tells me to trade it. Okay. This here is nice. I like this one. This one is suitable because you can see the volume coming in. You can see the reclaim. Okay. You can get long. You can protect yourself below the low. You can target the highs, right? Easy trade. This one here. Yeah. You're looking to mitigate this high right here. Put in a higher high. Come up. Continue. Possible. Not juicy to me. Okay. Not juicy. We want juicy trades. Juicy fruit. Juicy fruit, see? That's why we like fruit. The risk to reward is a turd burglar. I love that word, man. Turd burglar is so good. Need a 2.5 to 1, yeah. Yeah, that's why, I'm always looking for a 3 to 1, but Darren's right. Like, you want to have it, because if you're taking a little profit early, you're not going to end up with a 3 to 1. You're going to end up with a 2 to 1 because you take some out, right? So it's always good to target a 3 to 1 or 2.5 to 1, and then you end up with like a 2 to 1, which is fine, right? If you take profits along the way. Okay? What's going on, Wayne C, Captain Pancakes, Adrian? This is a long message, man. Working long shift as usual, but be lurking in the trades. Need a matrix upload to my brain and all the genius Discord channel. You make some money in the PJs. That's the one. Honestly, the Discord is on friggin' fire. Like yesterday, I can't even handle you guys. I can't even handle it. Like, we took 3 trades yesterday. We were profitable. Then we did a live session where Kyle gave us the setup. Then Brewberry absolutely crushed it. Then Kyle absolutely crushed it. Look at this thing. My God. 3% move. Kyle, thank you. Brewberry, absolute target 1 on Sol. Hit this morning. Good look on Trump. Oh, my God. I mean, for $1 a day, I don't even have to try and sell you this. It's like, why aren't you here? Thesis. Oh, my God. He caught the long too. And the short. And the long. I mean, I had to tell them to stop making so much money yesterday. Look, I said, calm down, pussycats. Can you guys stop making so much money when everyone is busy making open mouth thumbnails about us going to zero? Like, I had to ask them to stop it, right? Can you guys stop making so much money when everyone's busy making open mouth thumbnails going to zero? You see? Join the Discord. That's all I got to say. I mean, you can't beat it. I have yet to see someone who has a more affordable, more kinder, more profitable Discord. Get at me. Get at me. Let me know. Get in my DMs. Push, push, push. We're not in this. We're not in this. If we get an SFP at the low here, looking to take this low, I don't even like this one, but I would prefer to come into this order block down below here. We'll see. We got some levels. We're gonna go over the levels. Thank you everybody for being here. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Kelly. Jay Violet, Darren Does Things, The Bird Next Door, Wayne C. Curtis, Neil, Kelly, Andrew Cameron. We got bananas in the chat. He wants me to check XRP. That would be the last thing I would check on here. One Harmony. Good morning. Sparky Loft. Good morning. Chicken, what's going on? Apex. SOT. SNR. What's going on, man? Sam Wick. Kyle. What's up? Stephanie. Malik. Good morning. Ernest. Good morning. Avi. Yoshi. What's going on? Al Jr. Kyle Vanwick. Deja Vu. Vu. What's going on? On. Greg, what's going on? Good morning. Jesse, good morning. Dragonfly. We got some durable goods. An apple a day. That's the one. The Dusty Hunt, good morning to you. Lurking, can I help you, Alex? With what? It is always important to receive help. Turd Burglar was cool. Crypto City, Jesse, good luck. Darren Does Things. Okay, amazing people in here. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out. Airdropper, very kind words on X. Okay, I liked your comment about holding trades longer. Okay, good to see everybody in here. Thank you for being here. R.S. Miller, what's going on? Rashad, Patrick Swayze, greetings from London. Londona, what's going on? So let's take a look at this beast, the beast mode. Okay, so we got a trigger wave here on the 24-minute, trying to push up, and away. Beautiful little flag here, trying to get out of here. Not a big fan of it. Okay, for me, when I'm looking at this, what I see is I see us pushing back, not a V-shaped recovery. Okay, however, reclaiming that 101 Dalmatians, whatever you want to call it. Retesting this, coming back in here, holding this. So this is what's important, is that we are now above this again. Okay, so the bulls have fought back in order to reclaim this. Now, why is this important? Why is it important? Let's ask everybody. Let me know why it is important to reclaim, let's say 101, I would say. Because if we go, oh my God, I'm gonna go into, that place in Lion King that you're not supposed to go to as a scalper. I'm going there. Monthly time frame. Oh man, I'm here. Hi, Simba. I would really, really like to see this thing close above here, okay? For the monthly. We need to close above 97,000. But really, I don't want this thing to look like a shooting star. So holding here 100,000, that's bare minimum for this to look half decent. Okay, I just went on the monthly. Okay, let me get out of here. Sorry. The daily, beautiful hammer time candle pushing to the upside, looking to push up. VWAP chasing back in. Okay, so we're looking at Thursday possible pump, and guess what's coming this week? We all know what's coming. Mr. Powell. Now, I don't think he's going to do much with the interest rate decision on Wednesday, but he might say something. He might just say something. This, I think, is going to be the best FOMC that we've ever seen. Maybe. We'll be watching it with Tom Crown, obviously. That's where you watch the FOMC. Tom Crown. Tom Crown is an absolute legend. I'm sure he already has a video saying that he's doing the FOMC. Let me see. Tom Crown. Let's see. Let's go over and see. He typically has it up already. Look at that. If you know, you know. The biggest FOMC in history. There you go. So We'll be over here. Eight people are already waiting for Tom Crown. So it's going to be an interesting day. We got durable goods in 4 minutes. Let's see what it does to the market, baby. All right. Enough of this. So the daily looks good. The 12-hour looks good. Look at the trigger wave on the 12-hour. This thing can fly, baby. This thing can fly. So, ooh, this looks nice. Just saying. I don't want to give people hopium because what happened to everybody's feelings the last 2 days? You know, on Sunday, everybody thought we were going to zero. Now everybody thinks we're going to 300,000 or whatever the hell your price prediction video guy said. Okay. Oh, man. You guys be hitting the like button. Let me see here. Have you guys been hitting the like button? 280 people in here and only 75 likes. I mean, I guess so. I even changed the thumbnail today to green to make you guys feel more positive. Okay? I got 2 thumbnails, okay? I got 2 thumbnails for this. That's all I'm doing. Free oranges, extra vitamin C. I like that. Good morning, airdropper. You guys are incredible. Thank you for being here. We got this news coming out in 2 minutes, okay? We got durable goods. Something else they're going to lie about. Let's just be honest. Durable goods. You think this is going to move the markets this morning? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Put a 1 in the chat if you do think durable goods will move the markets. I do not think it's going to move the markets. I'm not in unless it's like really horrible. You guys let me know as you're hitting that like button, right? Greetings from London. Yes, let's go. R.S. Miller in the chat. Joe and POC. The Badlands. POC 104 on that. Go check out the BloFin link, sponsor link, cashback exchange here if you do need a trading exchange. We'd love for you guys to support the channel that way too. I like triangles. Good morning. Vietnam. Let's go. Smashed. Thank you. Jungle Boy. You're the price prediction video guy. My price prediction. I said $212,000. That was when Bitcoin was at a very low price. I can't remember. It was so long ago. And that was just a fib extension level, really. So that's my prediction way back when. Okay, so if we hit $212,000, you can all buy me I don't know, but what would I like you to buy me? I don't really need you to buy me anything. I would like you to just reinvest it in yourself. Okay. Oh, look at this. Jesse, you're on a timeout, buddy. I told you, you put weekly VWAP in the chat. You're going to get a timeout. I'm going 1 minute this time. There you go, Jesse. You asked for it. Jesse asked for it, everybody. Now he's got to watch in pain. I've warned Jesse many times about his weekly VWAP. Good morning, Wick's wife Pond 89. Good to see you, Wick's wife. How you doing? You crushing it? Oh man, so we got the news coming right now, basically. Refresh. Dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun. Nothing. And it came under, okay? It came down. That's a lot. Holy smokes. Forecast 0.5, and now it came in at negative 2.2%. Durable goods in the United States decreased 2.2% in December over the previous months. Durable goods in the United States averaged 0.3% from 92 to 2004, reaching an all-time high of 25% in July. A record low. So This is not good. This is down twice in a row now, right? Look at this over here. That's mega. Down, mega, kind of flat if we're looking at it as a graph chart. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit. Are we getting any sort of reaction? No reaction on NASDAQ here. S&P, Dixie. What's the Dixie saying? The Dixie up or down? The Dixie pretty flat. Okay. So nothing burger. Okay. This is why we didn't long this. This is not a trade setup. Okay. We got 300 people in here. 100 likes. Our goal is to get 200 likes. Let's see if we can get 200 likes. I'd really appreciate that. And if you are new here, subscribe. We'd love to have you. Come and join us. Free Discord. Paid Discord. Live trading every single Monday to Friday, okay? 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Helping you guys navigate these beautiful, beautiful, crazy charts. Fuck. Link to 800. Let's go. Good morning, Slickback. Calvin, good morning to you. Michael, 78. I'm in long. Nice. News is shit. Yes, I agree. Seems like every moment. Andrew Cameron, price prediction, the price will go up or down or sideways. Let's go. Jesse loves the timeout. That's the one, man. An apple a day. Mwah. Ha ha. Yeah, let's go. Why do you hate on Jesse for VWAP? VWAP is one of the most significant indicators a trader can use. I never hate on Jesse. He just says monthly, weekly VWAP, and he knows he's going to get a timeout if he says it. That's all. That's all. It's a thing. It's a thing, Dave. Lee, what's going on? Not that durable, I guess. I like it. Weekly VWAP is looking pretty limp, or my favorite word for that would be flaccid. Oh, man. Rashad, why do you ask such hard poll questions in the morning? I like to challenge you guys. Everybody else's poll says up or down, okay? We ain't the up or down kind of polls, okay? What's wrong with pairs? What's wrong with pairs, man? What's wrong with pairs? Jesse's back. See, Jesse's back, man. What's wrong with pairs? Okay, so the 12-hour trigger wave is looking quite juicy right now. Green money flow. Remember, money flow is very choppy throughout here. We wanted steady Freddy money flow. This is good money flow. Trigger wave looking good from here. Okay, so can we continue? We'll see. Going into our 4, our 3, our 2, our 1, right? So a big anchor wave. So what does that mean? That we should be patient for a trigger wave if we are thinking continuation to the upside. So we should be waiting for this. That's what Mr. Sense of Common says. Okay, common sense says we should be waiting for that. Now, yes, we got long here, long here, long here yesterday. Absolutely demolishing the charts. We were on point yesterday. Very good. But what we can see is that we have come back up to our, I would call this the Donald Trump range of last week. So we have come up and, really just said, hello, we're back here. We're trying to come back up to our 105 point of control here. But we got some work to do. We got some roadblocks. 103.8 looks a bit sticky. So we got some work to do nonetheless. However, if we're looking at this as an entire range and we're just like trying to say, hey, man, where are we heading from here? It seems as though we're holding this value area high. If we're going across the whole range here, we're trying to hold here and we're trying to push back up into this area right here at 104.6 or 104.7. Okay, trying to get back into the Donald Trump shenanigans. Look at that price action from last week. That is, if you survive that, give yourself a pat on the back. I see you guys all patting yourself. And then we do have a nice shelf of volume right here that we look to hold, okay? Even if we retrace back down to here, okay, 99, 100, there's a big, big fat wall of a range that we do not want to get acceptance into. We've dipped our toes. We bounced out. Now we're looking for a push out. We don't want to get back into here. Otherwise, we look to come to the bottom of the range, which is not what we want. We want this thing to hold, okay? At minimum, we want to go sideways here, okay? That would be ideal. Big sweep, sideways, continuation out. We'll see if we get it, okay? Looking juicy so far. So big anchor wave. We want to see a trigger wave. 3 hour trigger wave to the downside. 2 hour trigger wave to the downside. Money crossover looking strong, yet needs a retracement. That's what it's telling me. Okay, so this thing has been up only from this low here. Okay, and yes, we did get long here. We did get long here, and we got long here on the live yesterday. 3 for 3 on the live trading yesterday. Should have been 1 for 1. Okay, in reflection, we took too many trades yesterday. Should have just taken the one trade. However, very nice lucrative day yesterday for everybody in our Discord, and we all, crushed it. Kyle gave the trade from down here, the long from down here on his live stream. So make sure you guys are subscribed to Kyle as well, one of our amazing traders here. Kyle gave you the long. Here's his beautiful channel here. Go and subscribe to Kyle and tell him the Otter Man sent you, okay? But he gave this on the live stream. I mean, you can't really ask for more. Absolute fire, okay? Absolute fire. This guy needs a hose because he is hot, baby. Yeah. So cooling off and then continuing. That's what we're looking for today, is cooling off and continuing. If we can come down to some of our key levels, which we do have on our charts, and we are prepared as always, because a prepared trader is a profitable trader. So let's practice some good risk management. Let's take advantage of this price action. We got a big sweep here of the lows, trying to bounce. See if we reclaim VWAP, okay? I'm watching it over here on my other screen. Can we do it? Maybe, maybe not. If we reclaim VWAP, we can possibly look for a long here. However, pushing through, retesting, looks like we're going to roll over. Big buy zone below us here. Okay, couple of targets. I would like to see this thing break down into our golden pocket area here around 100,000 and then continuing up, grabbing some of this liquidity within these lows in here. Okay, like this is where Kyle got long, and we all got long in happy days. And then this has been very unsustainable. Okay, so for us to come back in here, okay, but really I would like to see this. This would be preferable. So maybe we short this thing today. Maybe we get an SFP up at the high and then we drop down. 786 rejection level. Okay, looks like we're reclaiming VWAP as we speak. Let's see what we got here. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. Hopefully we can make some money today. We're doing hell of a job recently. I mean, the previous month, December 2019 for 23. Okay. January, I haven't tallied it all up. Last week we were I think we were 7 for 11 or something like that. And this week we're 3 for 3. So we'll see what we can continue to do here. Helping you guys navigate these crazy charts. And if you are new here, subscribe, join the Discord, hang out with us. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 till 10, okay? We just got some durable goods, and they're not so durable. They're not so durable, as they say. So it looks like we are breaking down here. Retest of VWAP. Okay, coming down. Probably mitigate this low in here first and foremost. Volume picking up a little bit on that push down. Okay, so a little patience here. We'll see if we do want to come down into. It's quite a big buy zone. I understand that. We got a golden pocket 786 in here locally. So if we go from here, swing low to swing high. Locally, golden pocket 786, okay, with some liquidity and in this low in here. So the golden pocket's more ideal, about 102, okay? So we're looking generally here for our first bounce if we get down here, okay? But we'll see. We'll see. Patience will prevail. As always, trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. Okay, losing VWAP here, rolling over. Trying to reclaim, actually. This is a little bit of a battle going on here. Trying to reclaim. We could look for a possible reclaim, higher low, continuation. Possible long here. Possible long. Okay, good reclaim here. Can it hold? Might fire off a long here. 1 sec. It's got to hold here. This is a mitigation of the low in here. I don't mind that. We got a little trigger wave here, anchor trigger on the 3 minute, trying to push. You know this is going to be a long trade, right? If we get long in here, it's only 8:40, friends. It's going to take a long time to play out. I'm just warning you ahead of time. We're going to have to sit through this. Coming up to our 786 as the target. It's going to take a long time. We could get in half a position size. I'm not sure if I want to yet. 24 is not fully cooked yet. Look at this ugly. Ugh, this is disgusting. We got anchor trigger here. Money coming in. Holding VWAP. Trying to push. Failure to make a higher high. Rolling over. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not taking it. This is definitely like a B setup, right? We want to try and take A+ setups, or we want to go with like momentum. There's no momentum. We're in a downtrend, right? Little mini downtrend after sweeping the lows in here. Really failed to push. So for me, no trade here. You could justify this, though. You could justify this. That's all I'm saying is that, you know. And we're going to say, oh, man, we should have taken it, yada, yada, yada. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We just don't need to... we don't need to explain ourselves. Oh, man. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for saying good morning. If you are new here, say good morning. We'd love to recognize you in the chat. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep saying good morning to Jesse. Every guy would pick firm apples over pears. Airdropper, I don't know if you're talking about fruit, man. Oh, green apples are better than red apples. Ooh. I don't know. I love me. Pears are disgusting. Says Wick 589. Pears are nasty. This is why they're together. The Wicks don't like pears. Maybe when I see you guys at the conference, hopefully I'll bring you some pears. And it'll be apparent that you don't like them. Not that durable. I love that comment, man. That got me good today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I dig pears. See, I like pears too, man. Canned pears are good. The flesh of the fruit and grainy, like a bad apple. They are pretty grainy. You guys are hilarious. If you didn't answer bananas, you're dead to me. Okay, so we got apples and we got bananas. I like oranges too, man. Like a good juicy. Have you ever been to like Southeast Asia, like Bali, and had an orange? It's not even comparable. It's not even comparable. The oranges in North America might as well be like those chocolate oranges. Jay Violet says bananas are gross. Bananas are delicious. I want to see a dump and a bounce around 105K. That's exactly where we're looking, Tony. We're looking down here. 105. 105. Looks like it's rolling over here. So we're not... Good thing we didn't take that trade. See? Patience will prevail, okay? It's a little battle in VWAP here. If we're looking at VWAP, we always want to understand how VWAP has reacted during the day, right? So right now it's holding support, right? So it's acting as support in an uptrend, okay? Different day, different attitude. Yesterday, it was acting as a magnet. So price worked towards it, away, towards it, away, towards it, away, towards it, away, okay? So it was acting as a magnet. So anytime you got further away from the VWAP, it would return to VWAP, okay? There's many ways to trade VWAP. It's just understanding the behavior of VWAP, right? You can also see here on the dump, right? We lost it as support, retested, and then it became resistance all the way down, okay? You got to be able to interpret the VWAP if you want to make money off the VWAP. There's many ways to trade it. And there's many ways to misinterpret it and not make money off of it. Right now it's a battle. So this right now is just sticky support, no reaction really. Where for me it's no trade. It's like make up your mind, give us direction. Okay, price needs to give us direction. We've put in lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low. Okay, so we're trending down. If we got a bull div in here. So we're looking for this to break out, continue, but failing to hold VWAP. So for now, this is a no trade zone in my opinion. Preferably looking at price action on a higher term time frame. This wants to come down in here just from price action. We can understand there's liquidity in this low, in all of this uptrend here. Okay, so price typically would like to return before continuing. Okay, not to say that there isn't liquidity above us and a fair value gap and all that stuff, but if they're going to continue up, they want to take some of this first, in my opinion. If this, then that. And then it'll give us direction and we can make a better decision to align ourselves with that price action, okay? Looks like we're pushing back here. Okay. Bitcoin fighting. It's fighting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel. Thank you for being here. Everybody's talking about bananas. Check the 1 minute, please. We can check the 1 minute. The 1 minute is choppy, very choppy. Volume to push down, volume to push up, all right? So you got seesawing price action here. You do have a little bit of a fight coming back here, so we have mitigated this low here, sweep of the low in here. Higher low in here, trying to push back, reclaiming VWAP with some volume. So there is a chance to go up here. But for me, no trade. For me, no trade. Yeah. We wait. Too choppy as well. Like we want to take a trade and we want it to go, right? We want to take a trade and we want it to move in the direction that we're anticipating. We don't want to sit and hope. It's the worst. The worst. Always hated bananas. French Toaster, what's going on? He's asking if you like plums. Put a 1 in the chat if you like plums. Put a 2 in the chat if you don't like plums. Can you send a link for Kyle's YouTube? Absolutely. Absolutely. Kyle is a friend of the channel, an analyst in our beautiful, beautiful Discord. Let me just send you this link here. I'll just send you this link here. He looks very angry in this, man. Kyle, you need to smile. Kyle's a very happy man. He doesn't typically look this angry, but you know, it suits the thumbnail. Very, very nice angry bear paw on the thumbnail. I like that. That's 10 points for being creative. I need better thumbnails. You know how many offers? I probably get like 3 offers a week. Hey, man, can I make thumbnails for you? Hey, man, can I make thumbnails for you? No. I can put some letters on a face and open my mouth and say it's going to 0. Oh, man. R.S. Miller, good to see you. Father Time, Wick, 589. We didn't put raspberries and strawberries. Okay, we're going to do another poll. So bananas have won. Apples in second, oranges. We'll do another one, okay? So now we're going to do the elite fruit, okay? Pick one. We're going to do strawberry. We're going to do cherries. We're going to do raspberries. And we're going to do mango. All right? We're going to these are the alpha and the omegas of the fruits. Okay, we're going there. Plums, 0.5. Plums are good if you have to go to the washroom. Oranges for BTC. I like Randy's idea. Good morning, Randy. How you doing? Good to see you. God bless you. Guys, go check out Randy Hipper. Make sure you guys are subscribed to Randy Hipper. Always coming through in the morning. God bless you. Thank you for dropping by. Randy Hipper. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Some cookies in the chat for Randy. God bless you, Randy. Hope you're doing well. Canned pears taste like can. Oh, man, you guys are hilarious. Ready for more Banana Zone. Okay. That's a Rao Pow, isn't it? Nashville, we're practically neighbors. Tom, the bandit, good morning. Gang. Alex, good morning. Good name, man. Good morning. Or it could be a girl. I don't want to assume your gender. I go by Lord Otter or King Beaver. That's my pronouns, okay? Let me know. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you guys here. Wicks in the house. Devin, good morning. A little late to the party today. Don't worry, you're not missing anything. This is a pretty shockingly shite price action. Donato Cabrera, what's going on? Gang. Much love to you guys. Thank you for being here. All right. $5 super chat from John Foster Crypto, I believe. Did you know the Cavendish banana isn't even the superior banana? We used to eat gross Michael bananas, and they went extinct due to their cultivation, making them too homogeneous against baddies. I had no idea. Everyone short, pump my long, says David Brumbelow. Let's go, buddy. Retro Mike Tech in the chat. Randy in the chat. French Toaster. You guys are all eating plums, man. You guys are all... I've never tried a plum. Randy, what? What? Who are you? I'm going to send you some plums, Randy. That's hilarious. John Foster Crypto. Deck. I didn't see grapes either. Grapes are good. I like grapes. Some fresh grapes. Pineapples, we won't go down to Pineapple Road. Pineapple, people start being rude as soon as we mention a pineapple. They automatically just think you're a swinger, right? If BTC doesn't go, I'll start selling oranges at the corner. My God, this is pineapple belongs on everything. We're not doing the pizza thing today. We cannot do that today, Father Time. We went a little bit too far with the pizza. Mike, how is your new romance? Mike, do you have a new love? Do you have love in your life, Mike? Oh, I love that. Mike, hopefully you have a wonderful romance going on. Tamale, good to see you guys. I just missed a super chat. John Foster Crypto, thank you so much, man. I appreciate you, John. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for the super chat, supporting the channel and Baby Otter. It all goes, let's face it all just goes to the kid, okay? Anonymous, add pineapple. Cherries aren't doing so well. Mango. Let your man go. I honestly, if I'm going to pick here, I'm going raspberries all day. Raspberries, they're sour, but they're fuzzy. I don't know. They're like, the only problem with raspberries is when one gets stuck in your tooth, like one of the little nuggets or whatever in them. But besides that, raspberry, the flavor of raspberry, it's not too sweet. Like strawberry's too sweet. They're good though. My God, they're good. Cherries are... How can you choose? Can we have all of them? Passion fruit. XRP, please, bro. XRP is in a range. You buy low, you sell high. If you're looking at XRP, here's your buy low and sell high. Okay, we keep it very simple on this channel. All right, we got a buy level. We got a sell level. We have dipped and we have popped. Okay, look, buy low, sell high. You're looking to go up to $3.26 on XRP. Your buy level is $3, okay? Right there. Keep it in the sandwich, okay? There's your quick TA on XRP because everybody asked for XRP. And you're looking for this thing to go to the moon. Going back to Bitcoin. Rolling over here. This is going to cascade. This looks like it's going to roll over. We'll see what we get here. Welcome everybody who's new, who's just showing up. We got 356 people in here. 141 likes. If we could get that to 200, that would be great. So if you guys wouldn't mind just 60 more likes. I think we can do it, and then I'll shut up about the likes. Just trying to get this out to more people. And if you are new here, subscribe. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We're almost at 6,100 subscribers. You guys are incredible. Thank you for supporting the gang. We go live and we trade. We were 3 for 3 yesterday. We were 7. I don't know, what were we last week? 7 for 11. We overtraded last week, I think. But we've been doing good. We've been doing really good. 19 for 23 the month before. So good times here. Practicing good risk management, risking 300 to make 900. Good fun every single day. Thank you for being here, Randy, Paul Caruso, IKO, Tamale, Crunk, good morning to you. JD, good morning to you. Wick, Billy Baines, good morning to you. Tamale, Airdropper. Dave Digital. Watermelon, cantaloupe, bananas, and pineapples. Really? These are okay. We're gonna go. Okay, we're gonna go again. We're gonna go pick one. We're gonna go straw, pine, watermelon, and we're gonna go and mango again. We'll go mango again because it did really well. Okay, so now we're getting more elite. French toaster with the roll. What is GP? Is golden pocket, my friend. Golden pocket, not golden. I'm not gonna say it. Don't be rude, Alex. Okay. Fuck trading. Start a fruit business. We got good polls here, so we would know what to sell. You guys are hilarious, man. What trade are we gonna take here, friends? Tell me here. Are we going to press buy? Under VWAP, downtrend? Minute resetting. 18-minute choppy. Looks like rollover. That's what I see. I see rollover and bounce. But you guys tell me what you see. Maybe we see flag out, breakout, retest, continuation. At least a sweep. Just sweep this low here. I can't justify this. Sweep this low here, minimum. At minimum, we got to sweep this low. Just sweep it. Get out the broom. This is going to fly. It's 9 o'clock. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Barbecue pineapple with brown sugar wrapped in foil. Absolutely. This is one of my favorite things to do on the barbie, man. You know what to do, chicken. That's the one, man. That's the one. I totally agree with this. Send me da plum. Pomegranate's the worst. Absolutely. You know what's worse than a pomegranate? A grapefruit. I hate grapefruit. Like grapefruit juice? My God. Mangoes are the blue chip. Let's go. Tasty. Dragon fruit. Frozen grapes are good. Grapes should only be used for wine. Golden kiwi. Guys, don't get exotic on me. I'm Canadian. As exotic as it gets for me is like an apple with maple syrup on it, okay? You guys really like watermelon that much? I'm not a big watermelon fan. I'm not a big watermelon fan. It's too watery. Is that possible? It's too watery. And the seeds. Now everybody's gonna be like, seedless watermelon, bro. Are you dumb? Indian mangoes, the fragrance alone will win you over. That sounds delicious. I like how you use the word fragrance instead of smell. That tells you how good it is. Everybody here's a swinger. Pineapples in the chat. Paquet, cherries are all right. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are making me feel excited for the market today, even though it's pretty crap. BTC rejecting off VWAP, yes. Just not a trade I want to take here to take this down. Where am I going to put my stop? Above the high here? I guess you could. That's what I would like to see. Boop. We'll see. Looks like we're going to roll over here. Fallen. Can we bounce though? We see volume come in. So volume comes in. We want to see a boom and go. Come on, Bitcoin. Do it, baby. Do it for the gram. Is that what the cool kids say? Do it for the gram. We're not buying this up yet. Oh my God. Don't behave like this, Bitcoin. Come on, man. Really? Really? Give us something, baby. Come on now. A massive black raspberry bush. I used to do landscaping when I was like 19, and there was this one house. They had a cherry tree, and then like the whole perimeter was raspberry bushes. So you'd all race with your lawnmower to go cut the perimeter of the backyard, because you'd be like one-handing the lawnmower and then just eating your lunch as you're rolling the lawnmower. It was great. It was awesome, man. Just like total feast. Total feast. Okay, bounce back in here. No volume though. Volume trying to push price in. But you see the difference, right? You see the difference. Okay. Look at yesterday. Push, push, push. Okay. You will know visually what it looks like on your screen, if you're paying attention, to what a liquidity grab looks like. A SFP. Okay? Because you'll see it. You'll know when it's going to SFP, and then you don't buy it as it's dropping. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. You're buying as it's holding. You're buying here, your stop loss is here, and look for follow through. You're buying on this, you have the risk of it just eating you alive. Okay, so please be careful with SFPs. You need to trade them with respect. Otherwise, Bitcoin will wreck you. Okay? What if you tried to trade this as an SFP in here? SFP of the low. What if you did and you didn't wait for it to bounce? What would happen to your account? And you didn't put that stop loss in quick enough, or whatever you're doing. Right? You're wrecked. You're wrecked. Don't do it to yourself, man. Preserve your capital. That's your number one job. Always. Trading is waiting. Okay, so we've mitigated the low here. We want to see it snap back up and put in a higher low. That's it. Not enough volume to justify getting long in here. Buy level below us here. Golden pocket down in here. We'll see if we do bounce off of that. Or golden pocket, if we're looking at it again. It's the local golden pocket. Okay, so it's almost at the top here. It's at 102.63. We'll see if we hit it. We're rolling over right now. Okay. See, this is why we didn't buy that up, right? Makes sense? Because we want to make dollars. We want to make sense because we want to make dollars. Okay? Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. I like blueberries. Alexandra G. Okay. I think blueberries, antioxidants too, man. Antioxidants. Blueberries? Put a 1 in the chat if blueberries are better than watermelons. Okay, SFP in here. Bounce. Look at that, right into our golden pocket. Right into our golden pocket. Buy level. Rolling over here. This is aggressive. Selling off here. Shout out to those who took the short. What do we say? Rolling over, right? Rolling over. Rolling over here. 906. Still got time. Hitting our golden pockets. Big volume in here. Big volume energy. No reclaim here. Waiting. Big volume. Shout out to those who are in the short. Pretty obvious, wasn't it? Pretty obvious. Yeah. Good call on the liquidity grab down below here. So we've taken this low in here and this order block. Let's see if we bounce out of this golden pocket, local golden pocket area. I'm looking lower, maybe a 786. If we reclaim this support level, we could be looking for a long. See what happens here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. If you are new here, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., trading this live. Bitcoin rolling over into our golden pocket area. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. Nice rollover here. If we do get a pushback, we could go half a position size here, but I'm not going to do it just yet. If we get like a reclaim and then continuation down, that's the danger of it. Especially because it's not even market open yet. So a little patience here. What do we got? 18-minute anchor wave, 12-minute anchor wave. Okay, 5-minute. Yeah. This says wait. This says wait. Look at the rollover here. The mini bear div in here. Very, very tight bear div. Like, you'd really have to be picking this apart. Lower low, higher low, right? Little bounce in here. Market's not open yet, so patience here. My concern is this can continue to roll. Okay. Nice push back here. Coming into our support level. This was mitigated, this low. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Much love to everybody. Look, continuation to roll here. Nothing yet. Banana Republic, good morning to you. Jay Violet, Jesse, good luck. Rashad, IKO, Tamale, good morning to you. Drew, Deck, good to see you guys in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning, Alexandra, G. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. We're at 165 likes, 400 viewers. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out here. I appreciate you guys. Maybe we can get those likes up to 200 goal every day. If you guys wouldn't mind just hitting that like button, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, everybody, for saying good morning, hanging out here, chilling with the dubsters. Watermelon is excellent. Trapping shorts, that's it. Don't forget to click the like button. Trade Intuition in the chat. What's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. Tony Soprano, you're staying on 105K. F1 says good morning. Good morning to you, F1. Darshan Baba, good morning to you. JD, good morning to you as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. What do we get? Ones? I eat blueberries every day. Look at all these guys. Alexandra G. She knows what's up. See? She knows what's up, man. The blueberries. For the win. I think the blueberries are going to win. So we got mango, watermelon, and blueberries now. Let's do it. Last one. Last one. The chosen one. No bounce off of here. Blueberry. Strawberry. Mango and watermelon. All right, you guys, this is the final. I pick blueberries. I pick blueberries. Look, blue balls, blueberries. See, Alexandra G knows. That is the one. She's got blue balls in the chat. Put the blue balls in the chat if you're I'm losing my voice. Put the blue balls in the How did you get the blue balls emoji? Is there a blue balls in here? I guess there is. Blue balls, baby. Let's go. Continuation to roll over here. Okay, see how we said we were at risk for the continuation to the downside? That's why we didn't buy this. Okay. Why is that, right? Why did I say that there? Pardon me. Why did I say that here? When a lot of the time, if we reclaim and we bounce, I say to long it because it's 9.12. So we don't have the volatility. We want to see strength. There's no strength. And we expect volume to decrease because we're not at market open, okay? We don't expect volume to pick up here and take off. Therefore, settling of volume suggests that we could just sit here and flag out and then possibly roll over again. Okay, so slow, painful price action, right? Slow, painful price action. So don't want to just participate in something where it's like, oh my God, am I lagging? And I'm lagging. You guys crashed it. Okay. I'm going to restart. Holy balls. I'm going to restart the computer, everybody. Restarting. It just crashed. That's annoying. 460 people in here and it just crashed. I don't know if it'll wake up. Let me see if it'll It might be a VPN problem. Rolling over here. Is it a camera problem?